Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you this 30-inch hugger ceiling fan. I believe this is made by Litex. This fan was originally a rainbow fan, but for some reason it got painted white with house paint. So yeah, it's a nice little fan. Let's go ahead and show you the light. I put a 5-watt preheat adapter inside of it. There's the light. This globe is not original. This fan originally came with a mushroom globe. So let's go ahead and start it on low. I've always been a fan of these little 30-inch huggers. And this fan is in my new house. So that's low. Let's go ahead and do medium. Okay, we'll do high now. It does wobble ever so slightly on high, and it makes a interesting droning sound. Let's look up the top of the fan. Looking up on top. Alright, let's turn it off and watch it coast. And it has a pretty long spin down, so that tells me that the bearings on this fan are still are in fantastic condition. I think this fan is original to this house. These fans were produced, I believe, sometime in the late 90s to sometime in the 2000s. And this house was built in 98, so so this fan is most likely original to this house. It's a shame that they painted it though, because I really like the rainbow fans. But yeah, watch it coast. It's got a pretty long spin down, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that all or not. Yeah, it's just gonna take too long. But there you go, folks. This is my Litex, I think it's a Litex 30-inch hugger ceiling fan that was painted white. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.